Here, students, there's a circle given with a center O, and MN and XY are two parallel tangents to the circle, and there's another tangent, that is AB, which is touching the circle at point C and cutting and MN at A and XY at B respectively. Now we have to prove that angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. Okay, so now let's get started with our proof part. Okay, just write down solution over here. In the solution part, first I'll write it down what is given. Given is MN, XY and AB are tangents to the given circle. Okay, now what construction I'll make it in this is I'll be making the diameter of this circle, naming it as EF. Okay, and I'll be joining points OC with a dashed line. OC, as it is, as we all know, that it is also the radius of this circle. Okay, now given is this. Now construction, as I have written, if you want, you can write the construction part also, what all constructions we have done. Now starting with the main, that is the proof part. Okay, in the proof, what I will be writing first, what all things are given or considered. In the proof part, I will be considering taking triangles EOA first and AOC. EOA and triangle AOC when I will be taking, then what will happen? Our intention is to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so starting with the congruent part, I'll just write it down A over here again. Okay, now to prove the congruency, what I'll be taking first, EO is equals to OC, radius of the circle. Okay, now next what I'll be doing, looking at the figure, EO is equals to OC. Now next one is AO is equals to AO, that is the common side. AO is equals to AO. In the bracket, write the reason as common side. Okay. Now, the third thing that I have to prove for it to make it congruent is, as we can see that AE and AC are equal because these are the two tangents that are drawn from the same point A outside the circle. Okay, so I can write it over here. AE equals to AC, and the reason behind is tangents drawn from same point outside the circle are equal. Okay, so by SSS rule, again coming back to the looking at the figure, what I can see, EO is equals to OC, AO is the common side. Now I have proved that and AC is equals to AE. Okay, so by SSS rule, that will be writing, therefore by SSS rule, triangle AOE is congruent to triangle. Here, coming back, looking onto the figure, triangle AOE is congruent to triangle AOC. Okay. Okay. Therefore, no, not therefore, this implies that angle EOA will be equal to angle AOC, okay, by the CPCT rule. EOA will be equal to angle COA, CPCT, corresponding points of congruent triangles. Okay, then I will be writing similarly, which other two triangles I can prove it to be equal. That is triangle BOC will be equal, BOC will be congruent to triangle BOF. Okay, BOC is congruent to triangle BOF. So write it down again. Similarly, triangle BOC is congruent to triangle BOF, and therefore, or this implies that angle COB is equals to angle, I mean to say, see, in the earlier case I proved that this angle is equals to this angle. Now in the another set of triangles I proved that this angle is equals to this angle. That is angle BOC is equals to angle BOF. Again write it down, CPCT. Okay, clear till then? Now taking diameter EF into consideration, we know that EF is a straight line. Okay, so all the angles, sum of all the angles on a straight line is equals to 180 degree. Using this concept only, I'll be writing angle AOF plus angle AOC plus angle AOE, it is BOF plus angle COB is equals to 180 degree. Okay, now since angle AOE is equals to angle AOC, similarly, and angle BOF is equals to angle COB, therefore I can write it as twice of angle AOC, okay, plus twice of angle COB is equals to 180 degree. Okay, or taking this 2 common, I can write twice of angle AOC plus COB is equals to 180 degree. Now considering these two angles, this is actually equal to angle AOB. See students, looking at the figure again, angle AOC plus angle COB is actually equal to angle AOB. Okay, so writing these two as twice of angle AOB is equals to 180 degree. Just put the implies to sign at every step, or I can say that angle AOB is equals to 180 degree upon 2, that is equals to 90 degree. Hence proved. Okay, this was being asked actually. So here we have proved that.